Well, guys, this is Corey B. Hates Email. I know I hate my name too, but I don't know how to change it. If y'all know how to change it, let me know. But anyways, I went coin rolling today and got $50 in half dollars, and I want to show you what I got out of it today. Pretty good day. These are all up in this top row right here. These are all 1964 Kennedy halves, and by my app that I got on my phone, each one of those worth about 15 bucks a piece. So pretty good haul when you consider that's a dollar. I paid $2.50 for it, and I got about $75 in silver right there. I also got a proof out of the deal. It's a 1983 S. It's a proof, a lot shinier. I mean, it's not in proof condition really anymore, but people will buy it. I sell coins occasionally, so they do buy them. And I also got this. It's an Andrew Jackson, and it's a $5 coin from the Republic of Liberia. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's from the year 2000. I got a coin guy I'm going to take it to. He knows a lot about foreign coin. I don't know how much it's worth. I think it's silver. I don't know. You can just hear the silver. I don't know about this one. Maybe not, but we'll find out tomorrow. But just going to let you all know what I found. Talk to y'all later. Bye.